Hey guys, it's me, Final DJ 2002 with Harmony Tollers. And we just Tollers. She's not that tall, but yeah. I'm actually way taller than her. It's hilarious, even though she's my
slouching. Oh.
I'm slouching.
I'm still slouching because my back hurts.
We are doing a video challenge, sort of a challenge technically. We just did one, and it was our, what was it, the drawing challenge / anime challenge today?
Sure.
Yeah. I got 30 points. She got 29. I win because I'm the man in the relationship. We're doing one video. I will probably try to figure out spell sounds.
What animals would sound like if they were Pokemon?
Well, technically, Thomas Sanders and Brizzy Videos did this, and it's funny because
stop back at me. Nature, you guys.
And it's like if Pikachu says Pikachu. It's like animals. So let's get started. Do you want to go first, Miss Know-It-All?
Know-It-All. Excuse me.
She spelled giraffe completely right, not even knowing it.
Coyote.
So you don't have to say it until you actually.
This is spelled right.
At least I spelled it right. I'm terrible at spelling. Go ahead, do it.
Coyote.
That's perfect. We're not gonna do points on this video, by the way. We're just doing this for fun. Mine is easy. Lion. Like totally.
Okay. So.
Rabbit. You have to make it slow motion because it's so slow. This is gonna go by fast, guys. I should have.
Yeah.
Rumble.
Well, I can't do that in the voice. Like
Hippo.
bass tone.
Hippo. Mine. I forgot what it was. Bunny. Because I was in Raccoon. What was it? Raccoon. Like. Okay. Because I feel like when it finally gets through the neck, it takes forever. That's actually what Thomas Sanders said because he got giraffe. So I was trying to like. He's just like. What?
Sure. No, like I went off of like what's it called? So
thanks. So guys.
When did